First of all, welcome in my section channel, guys. Today in this video, I am going to demonstrate how to on from clipclaps apps. This on apps. You can on the money. Can recharge in your mobile phone number. If you want to this. First of all, go to the search bar and type the CLI clipclaps reward for long. You can see first appear this apps. Here you can see it's downloaded 10 million plus 4.3 start review. You can see review rating and review. You can read down whatever. First of all, install this app and click the open. And here you can see in the continue with whatever. Continue with Facebook or continue with phone. You can choose anyone. For example, I am going to continue with Google. Here choose any Google account. If you want this directly more for the video, please never miss to subscribe, like, share, comment. Here you can share the on USD 1.55. You can see first of all. Here you can cash out from these two options, PayPal or prepaid refund, or direct in your mobile number. Yes, 0.10. Yes, 10 is not allowed for withdraw. Here mobile recharge. Here you can see country. You must choose password country and enter your phone number. You can get recharge in mobile. Here wallet or two or cash withdraw option. Here you can earn dollar in this app. Watching this video, here you can see. Here down you can see going to a local line that this you must complete this local. You can get dollar. Then here you can play the game. Can I also. Here rewards, you can see so many rewards. This is the free rewards there. Free rewards. And me again, sorry. You can share your pen. You can also on the mode dollar, and here you can upload video. In this app you can upload video and you can increase a follower or a follower, and you can increase earning is going to die. try small the one earning app. It's working 100%. Working. It's not confirm. You can try this app and try this earning and first payment after. If you have PayPal account, you can direct cash it in PayPal. If you don't have PayPal account, you can direct mobile recharge. You can balance. You can get try one balance. Here you can exchange. Clip coin berabar 1 USD or 1 lakh. Clip coin is equal 1 US dollar. Here you can exchange. You can exchange the clip coin also and US dollar. In this video, like this guys, if you want more learn, you can contact that. This app link I will give in description line. You can download from the description and try this app. Can earn how can you earn. You can try this. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks.